अस्सलामुअलैकुम। वीडियो को कंप्लीट वॉच कीजिए। फोकस मोर ऑन द पीपल हु इंस्पायर यू देन द पीपल हु अनॉय यू। You will get much more further in life. Sometimes it's better to just remain silent and smile. If you improve by 1% every day, within a year, you will have improved by 365%. Live somewhere you can listen to the birds in the morning and the crickets at night. Women find themselves more attracted to someone with the ability to make them laugh. Laughter strengthens relationships. Don't change so people will like you. Be yourself and the right people will love the real you. Be thankful for today because in one moment your entire life could change. Silent tears hold the loudest pain. Grandfather says, when you feel powerless, that's because you stopped listening to your own heart. That's where power comes from. The secret of a happy life is giving God the first part of your day, the first priority to every decision, and the first place in your life. I don't ever want to be madly in love ever again. I want to be healthy in love, sanely in love, peacefully in love. Stop giving people power to control your smile, your worth, and your attitude. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell so you never miss any of my video.